CST's curriculum is entirely hands-on. From getting confident and proficient with your files and sandpaper to machining parts and tools on lathes, this experience is second to none. A major draw to our program is the intensive customer repair section our students experience. Our gunsmiths commit almost 4 consistent months learning to service, repair, and customize 38 different customer firearms. Each of these guns are tested for functions, safety, and headspace checked and test fired before they go back to the customer. From antique black powder rifles to current production models, our students get the most real-world working gunsmithing experience offered in the United States. As a capstone project, students use the skills they learn to build their own project rifle to how they want to, in the cartridge they choose, and in synthetic stock and a walnut stock. Since 1947, CST has placed thousands of graduates in the industry and assisted thousands of customers too. The School of Trades has a unique position as a standalone facility. We have degreed and credentialed gunsmiths that are gunsmithing with you 7.5 hours per day. As compared to a state college or even community college, our staff are hired to teach versus research. They're invested in you, the student.